In the heart of darkness, scientists toil away. Night after night they are immersed in their relentless pursuit of knowledge, hidden away in the obscurity of their labs. The hours stretch on endlessly, lit by the cold, harsh glare of fluorescent lights. They are driven by unyielding determination and a fierce resolve to understand the world. These researchers, these tireless seekers of truth, have a particular foe in their sights, the anopheles mosquitoes. These creatures, their proboscises poised for war, are symbols of deadly conflict that unfolds in microscopic detail. They are as lethal and formidable as any weapon armed with an invisible payload that they carry within their tiny, delicate bodies. It is a payload that has been weaponized before. The Third Reich, in its relentless march towards domination, harnessed this power. They sought to use the mosquitoes as a tool, a weapon of biological warfare. Draining the swamps, they harnessed the deadly potential within each insect. The payload was tiny but deadly. Soon, fever and chills started to ripple through the unsuspecting populace. The villagers fell one by one, their bodies succumbing to invisible enemy within them. The whispers of illness grew into a roar of dread that echoed through the desolate countryside. Hitler's orders were clear: deny all involvement, deflect all blame. As the war raged on, the mosquitoes started to fade into the annals of history. Their role in the deadly game was forgotten, their lethal payload dismissed as a mere footnote in the larger narrative. But their legacy, their impact on the villagers, lingered on like a ghostly spectre. Amidst the suffering, of hope emerged. A healer, steeped in the ancient arts of medicine, rose among the villagers. She gathered ingredients, potent herbs, powerful roots, and a generous dose of hope to fight the deadly fever. Her knowledge was the villagers' last line of defense against the lethal tide sweeping through their home. The healer sought the source of the infection, the Mosquito Queen. In her, she saw the embodiment of the lethal war that had been waged. There was only a deep understanding of the circle of life. A pact was forged, a life for a life. The healer realized that she had to release her own emissaries to counter the attack. As she released her healers, the healer herself began to fade. Her strength, her life force was drained away in the struggle. She sacrificed herself, her veins slowly being emptied of life. Her legacy, like that of the mosquitoes, would linger on. In the dance of life and death, the mosquitoes become healers. Her winged emissaries carried the cure to the villagers, their tiny bodies now the vessels of life. The dance continued, a ballet of survival and sacrifice, of life and death. In the heart of darkness, amidst the endless cycle of life, the legacy of the healer and the mosquitoes intertwined, a testament to the enduring power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit.